Right, ready?
Yes.
Hey, it's Aimie. How you doing? Today I'm joined by my nan. Today we're filming, well, we should have been following a tutorial making a Christmas decoration, but from our little bit of research, we found a YouTuber. I'm going to put her name here and link her video in the cards so you can follow along to the original tutorial, but we're going to follow along with her but do our own version of making Christmas wreaths.
Okay.
Excited?
Yeah.
First things first, I went out the other day and I got some of these. And I'll pop the clip in now of what I just filmed of everything that's included of how to make these into these. So here's Nan's garden in a bucket. So Nan, tell us what we got here.
We've got everything's from the garden is pieces of conifer trees, variegated ivy, which has come out in rather a bundle, and just a plain one, which is a wild piece, and some choicea.
Choicea. We're not using any glue, we're going to wrap these with wire and hook in our wreaths. Alright. Okay, so we've made an effort with our background today, even though it just fell down. So we're actually in Nan's little cabin, aren't we, Nan?
Yes.
So we don't make a mess indoors.
Right, so what are you going to start with? That's the big piece, that's the piece to hook it up with, so we've got some more of those.
I'm going to start with these.
If you turn it, you've got two different shades of it, just slightly lighter one side than the other side, so if you wanted to, interchange it.
Oh yeah, it is. You've got a dark side and a lighter side.
To choose which is the top, what you feel is the top or the bottom.
Lessons with Nan. Where could I get these from if I didn't have them in the garden?
Well, I suppose you could go foraging, but be very careful that you don't take too much.
True.
And make sure if it's somebody's private land that you ask, or if you know of anybody that's got some in the front garden. Sometimes they might let you have some if you're not going to ask.
So this video will hopefully be going up in the first week of December, hence our Christmas jumpers. Nan, show yours. Nan's got reindeer on, I've got a little penguin and a little thingy. Did you make this?
No, I bought it.
Oh.
Would have been on a present actually.
Oh, that's a good idea. Take it from the present. Oh, they're stuck together. There you go. We'll be selling these next year.
Sell you mine and you'll be selling me yours, is that it?
Let me just show you my jumper. Ready? It's a penguin. And it's a snowman.
Can't get mine to go in as nicely as yours. Not going in anywhere.
Come in.
Here comes refreshments.
Because we've been at it for hours. Hello. You can pop it over there. Oh, thank you. Oh, cake, Nan, and a hand wipe.
Thank you. If I had this on the front door, the post would have run a mile.
Our Christmas is very different today than what they were when you was a child. Or
Yes,
are
I
they
think
not?
it's
They are.
well, our parents used to do, we used to have games, different games. And as we got older, as we had new boyfriends or a different boyfriend, as there was 5 of us, and we used to play different charades.
We don't really play that, do we?
No.
No.
We used to have the old matchboxes. You pass a matchbox to each person's nose, getting
What was
teams.
the game with the string? And we played at Auntie Frances' house. There's a video, a home video. We're all standing in a circle, we're passing around the string. Whoever's got the knot, and I don't know the rest.
Not that one. And we used
That's
to
the
do
video
one
I
of passing a
remember.
tennis ball or an orange under your neck from
Oh.
one person to the next. And the balloon between your knees.
Oh yeah. Classic party game that is, isn't it?
Wow, that's good.
It's coming
Really.
along good, isn't it?
How come I can't get this? I can't get mine in whatsoever.
You're wrong.
Bit of a disaster, but there we are.
I don't think it is.
Well, yours isn't mine. Mine won't behave itself and go in.
Tea break.
Well earned, I say. Thank you.
We'll be back in a minute.
Homemade drizzle cake, but not by me.
Cheers.
Happy decorating.
Happy Christmas. We're back. We're back. Just had a little tea break and a piece of cake, and we're back to the wreathing. Bit of go. Is that you?
No, that's a motorbike outside.
We are in the woods, really, aren't we?
That looks like it, doesn't it?
Woo! Oh my goodness.
I was never very good at art and craft at school, so I'm not going to be now.
Why are you not? Well, you're good at gardening. It's only gardening, technically, isn't it? That's good. It's coming along. I wonder if they change colour much once they start probably dying, like getting all dry and.
Well, they will, won't they?
But
It's
what
just
the
brown.
fern will go.
The
brown?
the fern should keep quite well for a couple of weeks. Just give it a light spray of water.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how easy do you think this is?
Oh, it's not hard. Well, it's not exactly hard, is it? It's fiddly. More
Fiddly.
fiddly than it is anything else. And I suppose if you had the right twigs in the garden, you could make your own wreath.
Wreath. Yeah.
But
That's probably the time consuming part.
it's
That looks lovely.
just a piece. on
Bit
there.
of colour, yeah. Your leaf fell off.
That's no good.
And what do you think?
I think it looks nice. So we can have a red ribbon at the top or a
Yeah,
green.
red.
Well, there is a bun last year, but I am no good at tying bows.
She tells me now. We're going to add me fair cones first.
Oh gosh, we forgot about those to fill in.
Although you have got these, and they're real.
We tried, I don't know what they are though, got no idea.
They look Christmassy.
But I really need to do this, don't Oh,
Right.
dear.
Oh.
So you've broken So would you have them hang up or down? No, they don't. They hang up, don't they?
I've got mine to do it. I don't know
They
how I
sit
did
up,
it.
don't they? Of course they do.
Of course they do. Of course they do.
Yeah, they sit on the tree like that, don't they?
Yeah, I have got mine like that. I've wrapped mine round. Look, see, the wire comes over here and I've tucked it in. Plastic!
But really, when you think of it, why do they cover everything in plastic, isn't it?
Oh, it's just got a wire in it. Some sort of wire.
Yeah, this one has as well. You've got a
What
bit
should
of
we do?
sellotape on the end.
The hook first.
You can put the wire through the centre of the knot and do it, can't you?
Okay. Do you want the same ribbon or do you want different ribbon?
Have the same, if you like.
Okay.
That one's a bit. That one's too wide anyway. So. Oh dear. Well, that's not very good, is it?
Oh my god, that's it!
Goodness me.
How to tie a bow. That was a very aggressive snip.
What did you think that was?
I don't know. Here we are.
Just needs that colour, doesn't it, to brighten it up? Very well done.
Oh, I don't know. Right, and then the trick is apparently to twist it when you make a bow.
Do you want it just double? Do you want it double at the top? Poke it through and wind it. So you've got that part as the hoop, rather than the piece that you have at the top. You don't want that bit at the top, do you? You want that bit.
Fold it down that bit. And you've got yourself a hook. A big pine cone's hanging off.
How about another piece of wire for pine cone?
Ta-da!
It's okay. It's quite nice.
Love it.
There we are.
Oh wow, look at yours now.
This looks nice.
So these are our finished first attempt finished wreaths. Why does yours look massive? I think it's the bow that makes it look a bit bigger. These are our finished homemade DIY wreaths.
There's not hardly any plastic.
No
so
plastic.
Quite well.
All reusable, compostable stuff. Thank you so much for watching. If you followed along, then don't forget to give this video a like and let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for being here today.
Quite an enjoyable evening, thank you.
Lovely. My next Christmas video is going to be showing you how to wrap a Christmas present using no plastic. So if you stay tuned for that, please make sure you're subscribed and that you've hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my uploads. Thank you, Nan.
Thank you, Amy.
Yay!
Enjoyable evening, thank you.
That's okay. So I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.